Now that's official at last. It was just confirmed by Samsung that the Galaxy Z Fold 6 would be the main attraction at their Unpacked presentation. Still, that's not all. 3 intriguing new features for the Z Fold 6, one of which is dubbed so fascinating it will leave you addicted, are reportedly in the works. Hey, everyone, how are you? Here's Sal. I thus have some fantastic news for everyone interested in the new Z Fold 6, Watch 7, or any other product they may introduce, before we go into the official teasers. Just for making a reservation, Samsung is offering $50 in credit. Making a reservation doesn't involve any financial information, it just signifies your interest. Simply provide your name and email to register. That's it. You will get $50 to use to your real pre-order at a later time. Additionally, when pre-orders begin, you may save up to $1,500, possibly even with trade-in offers. Additionally, Samsung is giving away a massive $5,000 prize to one randomly chosen participant. Nor is there any duty. You may just disregard the email that Samsung sent you on July 10th if you decide to cancel your reservation after making one. It's a risk-free approach to win and save money. The reservation link is in the description, down below. What freebies will they be giving out this year, then? Samsung usually offers freebies like storage upgrades, trade-in discounts worth up to $1,000, some free accessories, and sometimes even more credit, even if they haven't publicized them yet. As soon as I find out more information, I'll be sure to let you know. Here is the official teaser for Unpacked. With a strong sponsor role, Samsung has just confirmed that the next Galaxy Unpacked event will take place in Paris on July 10th, just before the 2024 Summer Olympics. Though it doesn't reveal much, the teaser suggests that Galaxy AI will be the primary emphasis. At 3 p.m. local time, 9 a.m. Eastern Time, 6 a.m. Pacific Time, the live stream from Paris will be available on YouTube and Samsung's social media pages. Now on to the actual new things. Ice Universe claims that One UI 6.1.1, which will be available with the Z Fold 6, will have a fascinating new AI feature that will leave you hooked. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.